Hey guys, if you are looking for best water purifier for kitchen faucet, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best universal site pusher on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Brita 7,540,545 tap faucet water filter system. Brita may be the biggest name in water filtration. Brita filters are everywhere, so it shouldn't be much surprise to find one on our list. Since they are so common, getting replacement cartridges for this filter will be a breeze. You can even probably find them on the shelves of your local supermarket as you do your normal shopping. And you'll know when it's time for replacement, thanks to the filter change reminder light conveniently built into the filter. The Brita filter is one of the most cost-effective faucet filter we've seen, which is why we think it's the best faucet water filter for the money. It's also quite compact, so it won't inhibit normal sink use as much as some of the larger filters will. However, it doesn't provide quite as thorough filtration as some of the other options. This filter removes over 60 contaminants in total. Now our second choice is Invigorated Water 8,541,997,845 faucet water filter. You're most likely looking to drink filtered water to improve your health. So why not take it a step further by alkalizing your water at the same time? That's exactly what the Invigorated Water faucet water filter does. It will remove the unwanted impurities from your water that make it less healthy and replace them with important minerals that boost your water's alkalinity and help you stay healthy and hydrated. While most of the faucet filters we tested mounted directly on your sink's faucet, this one has a small hose that attaches to the faucet while the filter sits beside the sink. This means it doesn't affect your normal sink function as much, so doing dishes won't suddenly be more difficult. But it does mean you'll be sacrificing some counter space since this filter is a bit bulky. Installation of this filter is easy with the 5 included connectors. Just screw the connector to your faucet and attach the hose. Once installed, you'll have clean water for 12 months before you have to think about it again, which is about 4 times the filter life of the PUR or Brita filters. Now number 3, WaterDrop WD-FC1 Faucet Water Filter. If you're looking for premium filtration without the accompanying price tag, then the WaterDrop WD-FC1 Faucet Water Filter is one to check out. It's priced affordably, and it has a somewhat cheaper look that matches the price. Performance-wise, it's a winner though. This filter can remove many common impurities like lead and chlorine. Where it really shines though is its ability to filter out fluoride, which very few filters can remove, and they are typically quite pricey. Though it does strip quite a few contaminants from your water, the WaterDrop filter leaves the important minerals intact so they're not missing from your diet. And the cartridges have an improved lifespan of 6 months or 320 gallons, so you'll get twice as much life from them as you would from a PUR or Brita filter. There was plenty we liked about this filter, but it wasn't perfect. The faucet adapters were all plastic and didn't work well. They weren't strong enough to withstand the water pressure and would blow off, ruining the threads. Beyond this, the filter doesn't swivel, which means it can't be moved out of the way. If these problems were addressed, the WaterDrop filter would be a top contender. At number 4, iSpring D F2CHR Faucet Mount Water Filter. The iSpring D F2CHR Faucet Mount Water Filter had quite a few positive traits that we liked, but even more drawbacks that we couldn't look past. On the bright side, it has an excellent filter lifespan of 500 gallons or 8 months. That's several times longer than some of the most popular faucet filters last. This filter also removes quite a few impurities such as chlorine, germs, cyst, lead, and more, which it manages to remove at a rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. That makes it one of the fastest flowing faucet filters we've tested. When it's time to replace a filter, you are going to start running into some issues. Replacements are nearly impossible to locate. You're certainly not going to find them locally. But that's not the biggest issue with this filter. Water pools up inside the filter, sitting for long periods between uses. That's a great spot to start growing mold, which we certainly don't want to drink. But the filter also leaks, and we could never get it to fully seal. Worst, the water doesn't even taste great after being filtered through the iSpring, which is why this filter is relegated to the bottom of our list. At number 5, Culligan FM25 Faucet Mount Filter. It's much smaller than most of the competing filters we tested, making it much less intrusive. But it's not a great filter. It doesn't remove very many contaminants. For instance, it only removes the taste and smell of chlorine, but not the chlorine itself. And we could still taste the chlorine a little. The diverter switch on this filter isn't as large and easy to turn as most of the other filters we tested. This makes it a bit more difficult to switch between your normal faucet and the filter. If this were a dirt cheap filter, we could probably look past some of these flaws, but this is one of the more expensive options. With all these blatant drawbacks, we can recommend the Culligan FM25, so it's going to stay in the last position on our list. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.